for now, I want to try to get this car started. When the airbags go off, it gives crash data to the engine ECU, which shuts it down and it locks it. So I need to get a specialist to come down, and he's on his way. He just called me. He's going to be here in half an hour. We're going to recode the engine module, clear the crash data.
A trip fuse.
A trip fuse. And the EQ battery, yeah?
And it's exploded.
Man.
Or it's tripped or done something.
I think, you know what, I rate that. Ah. So guys. So guys, it's very frustrating, man. Changed all of that, it's still coming up with the same errors. Still getting no juice, it's not cranking. Annoying, man. It's annoying.
What's the garage name? Is it H&M Car Center?
Secure package. Thank you, bro.
No problem.
Take care, yeah? That's the replacement unit to replace that. So I'm gonna assemble all of this and fingers crossed, bloody hell, hopefully the car starts now. Alright, you guys, so here goes nothing. I've got the key. The key's a bit dead, so I'll put it in there. Woo! Yes, man! So rad pack is off. The rad pack, the actual radiators, they look okay, but all the tabs are all broken, so all the water leaked out. Boy, look at all of these pipes, look, broken. This is some sort of pump or diverter valve, broken. Auxiliary water pump, broken. Everything's broken. What is not broken though is the engine. This is the face of the engine, and I was a bit worried when everything got pushed back if it's going to damage any of this bit, but everything seems to be fine. There's no issues there. This lower oil cooler, have a look at that. That seems to be okay, so I'm going to leave that in its place. Everything here seems to be fine, but once again, it's just lots and lots of broken sensors, broken wires, broken pipes. Everything is broken everywhere. Alright guys, so the last time we checked in, Mustafa welded in this bit of the chassis leg. Now what we did, we went ahead and put some seam sealer, sanded it flat, put a bit of seam sealer, and he went ahead and painted it. Now this seam sealer is going to protect against rust and the elements. It's kind of like a rubberized seam sealer. So guys, I was just about to give you some slow motion shots and wrap up the video, but you know what? I'm in a good mood. The car is coming together and I want to complete the look, and then I'm going to give you some slow motion shots. I'm going to slap that rear bumper on the car, take it outside, and hopefully you can get you some slow motion shots. I'm in a good mood. I'm buzzing. I hope you're enjoying it. And if you're one of the trolls of the channel, I love you too, because we're all buzzing together. I know you love it. I love you. I love you all. Let's go get that rear bumper on the car. Like turn on and it slows down. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the Salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation, and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.